How does Doordash work for customers? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about Doordash. First thing first, to order from Doordash, you need to sign up using the app or the website. When you open it, you'll be prompted to enter your zip code. This helps you see all the restaurants, convenience stores, and more that you deliver in your area. Once you're signed up, you can browse through different restaurants, you'll find the menus, special deals, and even customer reviews to help you decide what to order from. Let's say when you want to add something to your cart, you just have to select the item and it will be added instantly. When you are ready, you can proceed to checkout. At checkout, you can choose between delivery or pickup depending what's available in your area. Just scroll down to see your total and make your selection. After confirming your order, you'll be able to track its progress in real time. So, when it begins, prepared, and when it is on the way to your address. And do not forget to tip your dasher. You can do it easily through the app after receiving your order. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.